In wound care, innovation is not just a luxury, but a necessity. This is UltraMIST Therapy. So, what is UltraMIST Therapy? Simply put, it's a non contact, low frequency ultrasound treatment designed to accelerate wound healing and promote tissue regeneration. UltraMIST harnesses the power of ultrasound waves to stimulate cells deep in the wound bed, enhancing cellular activity and formation of new blood vessels. The mist cleans and debrides the wound, removing dead tissue from the site while increasing oxygen and nutrients to the healthy tissue. UltraMIST is an effective treatment for a wide range of conditions, including burns, foot ulcers, surgical wounds, and venous ulcers. With no known contraindications and minimal risks of adverse effects, UltraMIST wound therapy pushes the boundary of medical innovation.